Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you outlining how you could generate more clients for your business and get that phone ringing a little bit more. So first off, because you guys are part of a franchise and your website is tied to the main OxyFresh domain, I don't know what abilities you guys have for making any kind of edits to this page. There is definitely some stuff you guys could do on this page that would help with your rankings. It's not like if you weren't able to make these edits, you wouldn't be able to get your website ranked or generate this new traffic, but there's definitely some stuff you guys could do that would help with that. The first thing is the amount of content you have on this page. So there was a recent study done by Google. They looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches, and what they found from this is all the top ranked sites had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. And with that, you really want to make sure that you're targeting those keywords that you really want to be found for. And we'll go over a couple of those that I found today. So that way you're really showing Google that this is, the search terms we want to be found for. So when people are making those searches, you guys are getting pulled up for that search term. Overall, I mean, this is a well-built site. I mean, OxyFresh paid a ton of money to have this built. But that would be my biggest recommendation, is just the amount of content you guys have on here. If you don't have the ability to add any content to this page, another option you guys could have, not saying this is 100% necessary, but another option would be to build out a whole new website not tied to the OxyFresh main domain. You guys could build it out under generic, just like carpet cleaning Chicago. And then you guys could filter those leads that are coming in from that over to your guys' same phone number. And generate a lot of traffic that way as well. So looking at carpet cleaning Chicago, there's currently 350 searches per month for this search term. So there's a lot of traffic out there for people looking for carpet cleaners in Chicago. And what we're looking at here, as we're getting onto Google, everybody knows how to use Google, but not everybody fully understands what you're looking at. So this is the Google Guarantee. This came out in like the last year or two. You're not going to really see any benefit for your business being this Google Guaranteed, because most of the time people are going to be skipping over this, going straight into the map pack and the organic listings. So having your business in this map pack is going to be very valuable. There's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this. The first one is what's known as citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great citation sources you guys could find would be like your Facebook page, if you have that address listed. Yellow Book is another one. There's a lot of free sources out there where you can list this information. And the more citations you have, the more likely you are to be in this 3-pack. The next one is going to be actually your organic rankings. So where your business sits organically is going to play a big factor in if you're in this top 3. Organically, there's a couple different factors we're looking at for getting your website to this top spot. By being in this top spot, you can count on getting about 33% of that search volume headed to your guys' business. So there's definitely a lot of potential there for you guys to generate a lot of traffic headed to your website. So as we're looking at organic search results, I don't really include Yelp in this just because Google really prefers to rank the smaller businesses over these large national directory sites like this, just because these guys are in direct competition with the Google ads. So by ranking your business in this, we don't really consider them to be competition. So looking at Windy City Carpet Cleaning, we'll be comparing them to what you guys currently have going on. So looking at their website, I already have it pulled up here. There's a couple different things that I see with their site that are definitely hurting them and that make it very doable for you guys to pass them up. Overall, content is pretty weak. This is a huge red flag for Google. It looks really spammy to have all the areas they service with the zip codes here. Their blog doesn't really have anything in it that's getting registered. I mean, content-wise, it's pretty weak. They don't have a secure domain, so it'd be very easy to pass these guys up. Competition for them, it's going to be very doable for you guys to pass these guys up. Looking at the back end of their site, there's a couple things we're looking at here. So the internet is built on backlinks. And it's one business linking itself to another business, one website linking itself to another website. So for them, they have 129 backlinks currently getting pointed towards their site from 61 referring domains. And those domains is the number of websites actually that are getting backlinks from. So there's the metrics just aren't super high for these guys. Not a lot going on there. Very doable to pass these guys up. Looking at your guys' site compared to them, you guys are at 30 backlinks from 15 referring domains. You guys are getting a lot of what I call juice or power coming from the main OxyFresh domain. So that is definitely helping you guys out. But by pointing more backlinks towards that individual page, you would definitely see an increase in your rankings from where you guys are currently sitting at. And currently you guys are on the first page right down here at the bottom. So you guys are sitting at 9th right now. So definitely, you know, moving up into that top spot, you can get, you know, a lot of new traffic headed towards your business. One thing I did find is that upholstery cleaning for Chicago has 200 searches per month as well. And this is not something you guys are on the first page for currently, but you know, a lot of potential here for you guys to generate a lot of traffic as well. And you know, looking at some of the competition for this one, you know, their website has a little bit more content on it. Again, it has all these spammy area codes in it. And looking at the back end of their site, you know, they have nothing going on really at all. So if you guys really optimized your site for not only the carpet cleaning, but also the upholstery cleaning as well, you would definitely be able to capture some of this traffic. They're getting 110 searches per month to their site right now, just for upholstery cleaning. So if you guys have any questions on this, I would love to set up a quick 10-minute phone call. We can learn a little bit more about your business and see if we'd be a good fit for each other. Hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.